gave him his omega-3 and his green tea capsules, like I always do every night. And then afterwards, I give him a treat, and I called him out to the kitchen, and he didn't come. I had to take the treat over to him, and I wrapped the aspirin. I put the aspirin inside the treat, so he would eat the aspirin, and I had to force it. I had to put it in. I had to put the treat in his mouth. He didn't want to take that either. So I'm worried. Fue Chuchu. ¿Mm? ¿Mm? Fue Chuchito. ¿Mm? ¿Qué fue Chuchu? Sí. ¿Mm? ¿Qué fue Chuchu? ¿Mm? Kentucky. Yo allí. Anyway, I might record more later, maybe tomorrow. Ven, Chuchito, vamos. Vamos, mi amor. ¿Mm? ¿Qué fue? ¿Qué fue, mi Chuchu? ¿Ah? Ah, Chuchito. Vente. It's a tree. Side. A side. Más agua, Chuchu. Agua. ¿Mm? Agua. ¿Mm? Vamos. Toma. Toma. Ah, Chuchito. Más agua. Toma. Vamos. Más. Ah. Ah. Ah, Chuchu. ¿Mm? Ah, Chuchito. Vamos. Toma más agua. Más agua. Ah. 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 No quiere. ¿Mm? No quiere más agua. Está bien. Más agua. ¿Mm? Vamos. Vamos, Chuchito. Más agua. Vamos a tomar agua. Vamos a tomar agua, mi amor. Mira. A tomar agua. ¿Mm? Good boy. Tomar agua. ¿Mm? Ah. 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 ¿Mm? Ah. No. Quiere tomar agua. Está bien. Sai, Chuchu. Sai, Chuchito. Chuchito, ven. Esa chuchu. Chuchito. ¿Qué fue, mi amor? ¿Ah? ¿Qué fue, Chuchu? ¿Qué es eso que se te está pegando en la cara? ¿Qué fue, mi chuchito? Ven outside. It's a chain. It's a chain. ¿Quieres para adentro? Vamos para adentro. Vamos para adentro. Faltan todavía 9 minutos y medio. ¿Qué fue, Chuchu? ¿Estás con Becky? ¿Estás con Titi Becky? Doki. Mira el otro. El otro estaba pendiente, ¿sabes? Estaba pendiente.
Sí, claro, porque ellos se comunican y son amigos. Estoy quitándole los insectos.
Sí, esto
para que no se le peguen.
Están unos mimecitos chiquititos sangre gordo.
Pero lo puse en una posición para que el belly quede contra la grama. Porque con tanto pelo.
Okay.
Entonces I wanted him to have skin contact with the grass. Because that energizes him. He stopped trembling.
Yeah.
I don't know if maybe the ice was making him tremble. Pero lo que necesita ahora es agüita.
Déjame buscar. It's a chain. It's a chain. 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 Good boy. Tremendo mojón. Chain. Cagó. Chain. Chuchito. Vete, chuchu. Cuyo, cuyo. Chain. Work of art. Mi chuchu. adentro. Ven, Chuchu, vamos. Vamos, está adentro.
It's a chain. 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 It's a chain.
Eso se grabó.
It's a chain. It's a chain. It's a chain. It's a chain. It's a ducky. It's a ducky. It's a chain. It's a chain.
Ya, Chuchu. Venga. ¿Mm?
Chain. Chain.
Mi chuchito. Mi chuchito. Mira mi chuchito. Mi chuchito, mi chuchu.
Chain. Chain. It's a chain.
Suba, Chuchu. Suba, Chuchito. Voy. Voy, mi chuchito.
Chain.
Venga, Chuchu.
Bonneting. Bonnevision.
Venga, Chuchu.
Bonneting.
Vénganse para adentro. ¿Qué fue, Doki? Mira, mira, Suba, Chu. Suba. Good boy. Mi chuchito. Boy, mi chuchu.
All-in-one Medicare Advantage plan from Humana. Includes Medicare prescription drugs.
Margie! Margie!
Hacía tiempo que no se había hecho un así. Celebrando. Chuchu celebra. Magic. Magic. Mira, mira, mira. Celebrando.
Magic!
Aquí mirándonos la cara.
Have an important decision to make, and that's whether to amend certain county. News 15's Margaret Kavanaugh, County Supervisor, Elections Office. Margaret.
These amendments can be very confusing, so you definitely want to take a look at them before you come out to vote. Amendment A could change the process on how you gather signatures when there's an effort county charter. Right now, there's a set of 3 pages. Amendment A looks to increase that span to 158. Amendment B stems from the Congress.
Hello. I wanted to show everybody what I've been giving Chewy for his treatment, his holistic treatment that I've been giving him. Dr. Deneen Fasano in Altamont Springs is his holistic veterinary, and these are the pills and the things that I've been giving him that have woken him up. Basically, this is reishi or Ganoderma and shiitake. It's in the form of a pill. See, right here, it's a pill. I basically mash it up and mix it in with food and give it to him. That's one. I also give him. This is for renal support. This is for the kidneys. This is for the kidneys, and it's a powder. It's in a powder form. Comes with a little scoop. Just basically just scoop it out. I give him that twice a day, in the morning and then in the afternoon. This is another one. The Cataplex. This is also a pill, but I crush it. Just like the other one, I crush everything together and mix it in with food. It's another one. The Cataplex. Alright. The combination of basically those three and the rest of the supplements that I've been giving him have basically brought him back to life. I'll show you. Plus a lot of love, of course. These are the supplements. Okay. Alright. Now I wanted to show you the rest of the stuff that I've been giving them. I've been giving Doki also for prevention. I made a chart This is the chart that I made. I'll show you. This is a chart that I made for Chewy, for all his supplements. That way I know, I know what I'm gonna give him at what time. And then for Doki, I also made a chart for him because I wanna prevent him from getting sick. All right, shiitake mushroom for both of them. This is the reishi mushroom that I give Doki, and eventually when I run out of the other one for Chewy, I'm gonna be giving him that. This is what I used that Becky gave me for the fever and the infection for Chewy. This is what helped with the infection and the fever. And this is another combination of medicines that the doctor made for Chewy, and this helped also bring down the fever. Echinacea is another one. I'm out of this one already, but he's already out of the woods. As far as the disease, he doesn't have it anymore, so the infection, so he doesn't need this anymore. Let's see, the omega-3, the fish oil, I give him that twice a day. Well, actually no, just once a day. And I give him the green tea in a capsule form once a day also. Okay, and he's still on the antibiotic, the Baytril. Chewy still on the antibiotic, so I give him this once every day. And he also gets well, actually this is for Doki, sulfur for his skin. And Doki gets shed and itch supplement for his skin also, because I have a lot of skin problems with Doki. Right now he has an allergy, and he's been scratching a lot and just licking under his arms a lot, and I've been trying to make him better. I'm treating him now for that. That's why he has the cone. But I just wanted to show you the supplements that I've been giving him, so that that is the reason why, you know, I was able to get him out of the infection, and he's doing a lot better. Chewy. All right. All right. This is my chuchito. Mira, chuchu. Este es mi chuchu. Este es mi chuchito. This is Chewy. This is Chewy. He's been eating and drinking water on his own for about a week. No, about a week and a half now. Mira, chuchu. Este es mi chuchito. Mi chuchu. He ate already today. And his water, I'm giving him chlorophyll. I put chlorophyll in his water also, both of their waters. Agua chuchu. Agua chuchito. He doesn't want anything right now. He already ate and he already drank waters. Just wants to show you mi chuchito. He's doing so good. Okay? De adiós, chuchito. De adiós.
Bye, Bye, Bye,
Vaya, con Maggie.
Maggie.
Vaya con Maggie, chuchu.
Maggie.
Keep good boy. Chuchito. Another thing I wanted to mention, that I forgot to mention earlier, was that the acupuncture really helped. The acupuncture that Dr. Fasano performed on Chewy. She did acupuncture. She's also a chiropractor for pets, for dogs and cats. So she aligned his spine and every appointment, and she gave him the acupuncture treatment with the needles all over him, and that really helped also, because I noticed every time that he was through with the treatment, he would kind of go down a little bit, but then he would pick himself up more. So I know that helped too. And the chiropractic massages, she gave him massages and stuff. So that really helped, you know, a combination of everything, and of course, you know, the love that I have for him. He knows that I love him, and he knows that I want to keep him here for as long as possible. I want to keep him with me as long as possible. So, you know, pets know, you know. And I talked to him when he was sick, and I told him, you need to get better. I need you here. I need you. You know, I told him that I needed him. But that's true. And he's doing a lot better. So hopefully he's 10. You know, he's 10 already. I know he's not gonna last me, you know, 20 years, but I want him to stay with me as long as possible, especially because he was Amaryllis's dog. I got it for her, and it's one of the things that I treasure, that I still have of hers. So he means a lot. He means a lot to my family, to me, to everybody here. So it's very important, you know, for us that he got better. ¿Verdad, Chuchu? ¿Verdad, Chuchu? Good boy, right? In case you're wondering what that is that I'm doing, that is Chewy.